You dear. Always noise.
Charlie.
What's up?
I'm fine, and you?
Yeah.
What has entered your man? He seems to have gathered confidence of late.
All days are not equal, my brother. All days are not equal.
But the leopard cannot change his spots.
Is there anything?
No, I just came to say hi.
Oh, okay. So?
Yeah, so... I just came to talk to you.
What about?
I don't like his body language. The kind of the seat up.
What did you expect? The guy just freezes in front of girls. They wonder why.
Man.
Papa Jonathan, good day.
Good day.
I thought the exam timetable was concluded yesterday.
So, you dey rush. Where you dey go with all these big books, this elementary what and biography? Come up for them.
A tragedy of enormous proportions. Look, the end of an examination does not mean the end of academic pursuits. After all, the end of one examination is the beginning of another.
You come up for them. You be too no.
Great spirits have always encountered violent oppositions from mediocre minds. Einstein.
A truism. But there is also all work and no play makes Jack a dull boy.
A nursery rhyme and a fallacy. But it ends with a correction. All play and no work makes Jack a lazy boy. Left to some of you, this place will just become like a circus.
Don't try any of your innuendos here.
With the cap fits. Let him wear it.
Grab.
And the last intervention, Mr. Jebley. What happened to your biodiesel project? A failure?
From failure comes success. We shall address that matter very soon. Adieu, Narivide.
Such a weird creature.
You call him weird, but I like his industry. He's bound for greatness.
What kind of greatness? Check this one. So, check thing you claim. Oh, brother. This one fine.
I am so glad to see the end of the exams and the semester. Same here. But it's been rough. My! And I know I have not trailed any paper. Sister, don't count your chickens before they are hatched. When you have trailed a paper, you know it. And I know I haven't trailed any. Who is there?
Greetings.
Hi, Nkechi. What's up?
Sorry for the inconvenience, but I'm looking for my buckets.
Bucket? So is that why you burst in here like... Is it a pink bucket? Yes, but I got it from Eresi and not her.
Well, for your information, that bucket belongs to me. What's your problem now?
Okay, I'll get the bucket. Nkechi, just a second.
Thanks, but I'll wait outside. Okay. You shameless bitch.
Sun City, Sun City, Sun City, Sun City, Sun City, Sun City.
Sorry for the inconvenience. Jack, you have to do something about this quarrelsome attitude of yours. So, what are you talking about? But you can't always be on the aggressive like that. Why do I always go about backing? Whoa. Please. What's the big girl?
That girl Jacqueline is abominable.
Well, what did she do this time?
She told me she wouldn't give me the bucket because she didn't collect it from me.
Don't mind Jacqueline. You already know her disposition. Look, we have to learn to live with her. But remember her in prayers.
That's a good one. Because if she doesn't stop, someone will soon get physical with her. She's lucky she lives in Ghana.
What would you have done?
Squeeze her.
Just know how to talk. Come in with the cha. Come in. I see you guys are all ready to go.
Sure. My flight departs from Kotoka in 5 hours, straight to Lagos. Then a connecting flight to Calabar, where I'll be kept under lock and key by my authoritarian father.
That's because you are naughty. So, you guys already met Kojo.
Yeah, I met Kojo.
I've met Erisi, but not this pretty young woman. My name is Kojan Fonsa.
Nkechi.
I'm pleased to meet you.
Me too. Please have a seat.
Oh, we won't be long. Kojo was just seeing me off, and I thought I'd just pop in and say bye. I've already taken my stuff home, you know.
Tada, ba. So fast.
Jojo,
Yeah.
I will just be outside.
Okay.
So that you girls can say bye-bye properly.
That's sweet of you.
Ladies, enjoy your holiday.
Okay, bye.
Bye.
Take care of her for us.
I will.
Bye. For him! We have a Bonavi doctor who is a gentleman as well.
You guys are the hot commodity on campus now. You think so? Then hear this. Kojo has invited me to spend 1 week on his father's cocoa farm. During the holidays.
Will you go?
I just have to ask my dad.
Then don't even dream of it.
We'll think about that.
That's my girl. With the shackles.
I miss you girls.
Oh, the chill.
I'll be getting.
Oh,
I have now.
Yeah, you too.
Are you leaving for London tomorrow?
Yep, I'll be gone for 3 weeks and then I'll go to Switzerland and spend some time with my mom.
I see. What do we have here? A glove trotter.
Oh. She lost my roomie. She's an international player now.
You guys, let's keep in touch here.
Text me, oh. Text me, oh. Call me, okay? Bye-bye.
I'll be coming to spend the weekend at your father's cocoa farm, eh?
Oh, come on. The weekend wouldn't be enough.
So how
Just
long?
a whole week.
The whole week?
Yes.
Would that be okay with your friends?
That's right. My father is very, accommodating.
Oh, really?
That's right.
And how big is the place? Really big?
Yes, I'll take you around everywhere.
Oh, that's
Anyway,
nice.
take good care of yourself.
I will.
And thanks for being there for me.
I'll always be there. Call me, okay?
I will.
Oh boy! I forget I could tell you, sir. Let's call me this afternoon.
From where, young kid?
JFK, what are you talking about? Apparently, Leroy too left for London yesterday as well.
Hey, wait, no tell nobody. See, brother, we them be proud.
I really want him to beat a gong and make an announcement.
Hey, I wonder why there's such a mad rush to fly after every semester. It's a global village, bro. In any case, what are the real opportunities here? Leave or not invented. After After all, who created the so-called opportunities elsewhere? The people there, right?
Those are McDonald's, Microsoft, Burger King, Unilever, and the like were all started by 1, 2, or 3 people. Now they are international conglomerates.
Try starting something in this harsh environment.
Do you watch cowboy films?
Sure. Why?
You see how raw things were then. Da-na-na-na-na, na-na-na-na. Da-na-na-na-na-na-na. That was how America started.
Whoa! What is the morale in that?
Things are always harsh at the beginning. That's it.
You are smell the makings of a philosopher.
You're too brute. Shakespeare's Julius Caesar. Well, that was just for comic relief. More anon.
Mark 13.
Okay.
Yes, come in.
Oh, sorry I woke you up.
Never mind. Have a seat.
Thank you. Is your roommate gone?
Yeah, he left the store.
Oh, so you are all alone?
For the next 4 weeks, yes. That's when the medical school breaks. When are you going?
I'll stay an extra week to attend the charismatic convention on campus.
Oh, yeah.
So, you can come and see me when you need anything. I mean, anything.
Thanks very much, Sister Nicola.
You're always welcome, Kojo. But I've still been having bad dreams about you.
Come again?
This morning's was the worst.
I'll always be there. Call me, okay?
I will. Oh my God.
See ya.
I dreamt you were being swallowed by a big red python.
Red python?
It had 2 large horns as well. And the beast had swallowed half of your body. I woke up thrashing. I've been fasting since morning, Kojo. Let us pray. Oh, we thank you. Sharita Purababa is saying. Oh, Jesus. Jesus, Sharita Purababa is sharing.